First, we take off the battery. After that, we remove all the plastic covers. We put them on a side. We disconnect the Wi-Fi module. And remove it. We also have to remove the CD drive. After that, we can remove all the screws on the back, one by one. There is one more screw in here. I have to remove it also. After that, we just turn off the laptop. The first thing we have to do is remove the plastic covers of the hinges. After that, we can remove the top cover. Then we can lift off the keyboard. Be careful with the cable. Now we have to pull off the cables on the Wi-Fi. Which we'll already remove. We have to disconnect the LCD cable. And after that, we can remove the display. It's held by 2 bolts on each side. Now we can remove the display. After that, we remove all the screws on the top cover. They're all on the same light, so you shouldn't be worried. Now we have to disconnect the speakers from the board and the LCD cable for the buttons plus the cable for the touchpad. Now we find a spot and start pulling off the plastic. With the help of the tools. We just lift it slowly. We forgot a screw in here. After that we remove the whole top. Now to clean the fan and change the thermal paste, you have to lift the whole board, which is held by a one screw in here. After that, just slide the board out and put it someplace. That's the whole procedure. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Bye bye.